Lalabs, good morning and happy Friday! So for today's video, punta kami ng Torch Doha Hotel. So our first time to visit on that hotel. So we're having a breakfast and flying carpet Doha. So I will see you. Lalabs, the Torch Doha Hotel located beside Villaggio Mall in Azizia area. So let's go! Let's go! Road trip going to Azizia. Married ako today. So I'm so excited to see inside. You went last time?
We went here for these meetings with this.
When? Inside?
With this.
Oh. Ito po yung stadium, Khalifa Stadium. International Stadium. So, ayan na po yung Torch Hotel na labas. Lagi ko lang nakikita sa labas, pero hindi pa ako nakapasok sa loob. So, check natin. First time. First time. First time. Disgusting. Yan po yung Torch Hotel. The Torch Doha. So dito na tayo mga lalab sa Torch Doha Hotel. So ito po yung view natin. Labs, dito na tayo sa Torch Doha. So ito po yung ano natin. So yung interior nila mga lalabs. Ay! Grabe. Si Dodo. Yan, may coffee shop dyan. So mag-breakfast lang kami. Yan po yung labas. Ang sarap dito magkape-kape. Shop mga lalabs. Po lang kami dito. Resting. Si Bossing. Mamaya punta kami ng restaurant. Sa Flying Carpet. I think I'm cute. Ito pa yung Flying Carpet Doha sa Dodo. Ball. Kami lang. So, check natin yung food. Very social. So, maganda dito kapag gabi. Makikita mo yung mga lights. Chicken sausage, beef strips, grilled egg, may spring rolls, hash browns. Wow, baked egg with turkey. I try it. Cheese manakish. So dessert. Wow. Then may mga pudding. Mga nuts. Pancakes. French toast. Salad. Bread section. And coffee, hot milk, cold milk, coffee. Sinatawag po siyang flying carpet kasi lahat po carpet, oh. Ayan, mga carpet yan siya. Patay dyan. Sa gilid. Carpet. Ang gahara. Flying carpet. Ito pa yung kinuha natin. May spring rolls, chicken, sausage. Ayan, may bacon. Itong view natin. Masarap yung spring rolls. Cheese. And after we finish driving out from the backside, huh?
What do you mean backside? You cannot go from the backside.
There is hotel in the backside, no? There, that La Boutique Hotel. What is that? We went last time.
Okay.
Just driving around. Yung ngipin ko namasiksik na naman. Yung mga all foods inside my braces. Don't be strong. Meron silang rice. Kuha ko na yun.
Very nice.
Huh?
Very nice. I'm alone here.
We like the place.
No catching, no kids screaming, no Arabs going up and down.
But it's early. That's why.
Yeah, that's why it's nice to come early.
Huh?
It's nice to come early to finish your food and be peaceful. Yes.
Kain mo na kami. Kami nag-breakfast. Nag-ano muna ako, nag-tea. Tapos kain ako ng chia seeds. Sarap. Si Bossing. And tapos na kami nag-breakfast. Dito na kami sa may lobby. Maganda dito mga lalabs. Take me one video. I come from there. Okay na. Nasa labas. See? Brahinit mga laps. Ay, mainit na. Ano na, magna 9 AM. Diyan na yung sasakyan. Bye bye Torch Doha Hotel. Bye. Saglit lang malalabas. Labas na kami. Grabe, init na. construction dito. Ayan, Villaggio na. It's connecting pala to Villaggio, this one, no? Can connect? Yeah, it's connecting. Ang galing kay Villaggio, punta ng Torch. Ayan, nakakunik na po siya mga lalabs. There is one more hotel there, no? Badin. Mag-drive around muna kami mga lalabs sa likod. Kasi may isa pang hotel dyan. Vaden. Baskalas. Baskalas. So, masarap din naman ang food. 140 QR for 2 people. Kasi may urban point kami. So, buy one, take one. May book pala gamit namin mga lalabs. May book. So, okay yung food. Yung restaurant naman maganda yung ambience. So, hindi na kayo lugi sa yung 140 QR. Dalawa na kayo. Only food, only drinks, coffee, juices. Yan. Hyatt Plaza. Hyatt Plaza. Ayan. Villaggio Mall. So many people in the park. I mean, in the coffee shop. So may coffee shop dyan. Cup and Go. So after nito mag-drive around, so punta na lang kami ng bahay. Uwian na. Oh, hala now it's big coffee shop. Before it's only small one. It's not allowed to go there. What is that there? Maybe you pay that one. No? What is that there? Oh, you need to pay. No need, honey. No need. Kami pupunta doon kasi di naman kami mag-stay. Magbabayad ka lang ng parking. Ang ganda. Yung Aspire Park, mga lalabs. Kasi mainit yan. Coffee shop yan dyan. Oh, may mga play area na pala. Burger. Smart groceries. Cup and Go coffee shop. Coffee shop din mo. Di pa ako nakatry dyan. Next time. Pag medyo malamig na. Sarap dyan magtanbay-tanbay. Ito pa yung Kidzania Game Center. Hyatt Plaza.
Before you drop the bus, like sheep coming.
Memories are forever. Remember my groceries. Catch wants to catch the bus. The bus will not stop. Oh my God. So, yun lang mga lalabs. Breakfast lang kami sa Torch Hotel sa Flying Carpet for the first time. Ito pa, Aspire Park. Ang laki kasi ng Aspire Park eh. Pero mainit na. Hindi na pwedeng maglakad-lakad. Pawisan ka. Eating breakfast plus road trip. Sulatan natin. Aspire Park. Diba ang laki? May ano dito, Starbucks. Starbucks. Maraming coffee shop dito sa park. Food Arena. I never went there, but I just saw in Facebook. What is this here? My son. Hotel. This is hotel. Oh. Hotel Bulacan. Downtown. Ayan, maganda dito sa gabi mga lalaki. Oh, so cute. Oh my God, so cute. Tingnan mo. May bicycle, motorcycle, and bao-bao. What is bao-bao? Crocodile, what is that? Crocodile car. Bao-bao. So what is the English of bao-bao? Crocodile. So downtown, tawag po yung na downtown. So punta tayo dito next time. Punta na. Ayan, sulit. Wow, it's nice here. We come here again, han. It's first time. Oh, ice cream yummy. Oh, ang ganda ng view. Ganda dito sa gabi. Oh, may mga ano dito eh. Stop toys, mag-games. Wow. Wala pang open dito, oh. Catch the toys. Wala pang open, maybe 3 o'clock open dito or 5. Marami palang food stall dito mga lalabs. It's first time. Come here one night. Huh. Night only because it's too hot. If it's winter time, it's okay, we can come early, but this time at night it's good. O, diba? The downtown. So, yun lang mga lalabs. Kasi tapos na kaming kumain. Kaya, busog. Oh, ganda. So, yan na. The downtown pa lang. There's exit there, huh? Ganda sana pictures dito, video, kaso nga sa labas pa, malakad-lakad. Kaso nga sobrang init. It's nice there if you sit there in the top. Oh, no sitting. Cannot sit in the top. Ganda ng ambience nila, mga lalabs. Dami. You been here, huh? No? Huh. Next week we come. We ask Kuya. Kuya Etienne. Thursday night. Maybe Thursday. loves. And dumaan lang kami dito sa downtown. Di pa kami nakapunta dyan eh. So try namin gabi. Maybe Thursday night. I'm making schedule. Pero maganda dyan pag ano, winter time. Maybe October. October. After our vacation from South Africa. Okay. Yan po yung hotel, mga lalabs. What's the name of the hotel that? I forget. Maganda dito, mga lalabs. Hotel po yan siya. Hotel. I forget the name. Forget the name of the hotel. Cannot exit this exit. Yan, hotel. La está bonita. La está bonita. Maganda din dyan. Last time I take some video and photos with Ruby. I just take video outside. Yeah, Azia Boutique Hotel. Yan pala yung name. Ayan. Boutique Hotel. Ang gara ng ano, the sign. It's old hotel ba, no? It's old. Yan po, mga lalarbs. Para makita nyo yung view. Gara ng forma ng torch, no? Gara ng design. So ayan, uwian ng mga lalabs, baby loves. So thank you so much. Hope na-enjoy niyo po yung aking video. Road trip plus eating breakfast. That's it. So bawi na kami, mga baby loves. So thank you so much. Thank you to all my friends, my legit friends. Thank you so much. So yan ko na po yung aking video. Thank you everyone. God bless. I love you all.